and my dog, and for us, it's, actually home away from home.
It's like a play school, man. It's not even a foster, it's like a play school. Anybody, even the kids will enjoy being here.
Knowing Richa, with her staff, she takes personal attention, and her love for, these pets is tremendous. So you can see there's so much passion.
All I know, my last experience with Richa, I was out of station. I was panicked and I asked her to send me the video update and everything. But the next day I got to know that he was going on growling, but she took it personally, not here. She took it to her house, she made him sleep with him, with the other dogs and everything. So that is the kind of attention she gives to pets.
Most importantly, she's passionate about what she does. So that's what counts, no? At the end of the day.
Anybody who live pets here, she will take care of their own baby.
Yeah, they're like your children, right? So you want to make sure that they're well looked after and stuff. In fact, they need to get used to the fact that we're not around all the time. Great location, right on Carter Road. And I know that Richa will be monitoring and taking care of and making sure that things are okay. So I have no worries in that. They've come back healthy. They're happy to see me.
But yeah, and we've recommended her to a lot of people, and even our friends have been happy with the service and attention that they get,